Callie, what are you doing in there? Why are you in Kumar's cage? He doesn't want you in there. Callie, what are you doing? You want to live in there? Alright, you're locked in. It's official. Kumar is making noises and you can't hear him, but he is. And he's freaking out. Kumar, tell her to get out of there. Say, get out of my house. Callie. No. Come here. Yeah. Was that fun? Is that better, Kumar? Like, what's up?